Nagsimba. Simba. Christian ka ba? Hi, Ion. Just, hi, Drex Bass. Hi, Oscar Guapo. Well, nothing much, just talking, anything, any topics, as long as it's, appropriate for everyone, especially children, because sometimes there are kids who are watching my channel. It's, this channel is more on glorifying God, so everything should be appropriate. Hi, hello, Marlon. Hi, Yon. Hope you subscribe. Yep. Bisaya. Bisaya. Okay, hope you subscribe. Yeah, Bisayang Bisaya. Sinong Bisaya dito? Yep, I speak English. I can speak. Nose bleeding always. Bisaya iyon. Wow, Bisaya. Dekat. Yeah, Bisaya. Na nice kaysa. Kung Bisaya data. Pero murag na hindi kasabot og Bisaya. Yeah, I speak English, Rochelle. Taga Samar. Wala po. Waray, di ba? San Samar? Tacloban? Taga Bacolod. Pero kablo, Bisaya. Thank you, Yon. Hi, Jonathan. No, so Bisaya. Oscar. Hi, Fun with Sabari. How are you guys? Welcome. There's some people in the house already. I thought it's my life is gonna be very silent because I haven't been doing live for the past few days. Sige, iyon. Salamat sa pag-subscribe. Dati. Atin ko na. No, mga nosebleed. Sige, English ba? So, dinot to Bisaya. Thank you, Ayon. But sometimes I need to speak in English because I'm the host. We can. Actually, this is a very, very not so strict company, Rochelle. As long as we're doing our job. But I don't do live stream when I'm busy. Kapoy jud kayo sig English Hi, Joe. Hi, Joe. How are you? It's been a long time. Yeah, I haven't been in live stream. Thank you for coming. Yeah, I've been busy with Christmas party, traveling, December. Zamboanga. Zamboanga del Norte. Iligan. Nakanha naman po dira. Dito lang. Zamboanga del Norte. Gang. Sa sentro lang. Basoon. Ano yung basoon?